wants to be। और इसीलिए मैं कई बार कहता हूं दोस्तों, मंजिल मिलेगी, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही, मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर ही सही। गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं। और इसीलिए ये लोग घर से निकले हैं, घर से निकलकर अपना काम बिल्कुल सिंसियरिटी से, नेकी से करते गए हैं। And that is why we're celebrating 10 years of Ayman. Of course, I want to very sincerely thank my dear friend Rishabh Shah. Rishabh Shah is like a squirrel, you know. He's exactly like a squirrel. आप लोगों ने गिलहरी को देखा होगा, squirrel को देखा होगा. Squirrel goes around and drops different seeds everywhere. और स्क्विरल को याद भी नहीं रहता कि सीड कहां कहां डाला है, और उस सीड का पेड़ बन जाता है, और स्क्विरल को कोई अंदाज नहीं उसने कितने पेड़ उगाए हैं। एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ऋषभ शाह इज, द सीड्स दैट हिज सोwn here and there. Louder guys, make the loud noise. Thank you. I definitely want to express my respect and gratitude to all the dignitaries present here today, who are here to enlighten us with their words and with their knowledge. A loud round of applause for all our guests, our speakers and our dignitaries, guys. Great. And of course, my gratitude to Devanshu ji, whom I met just a couple of months, Parul University, for hosting this event. A loud round of applause for Parul. How many of you guys were like terrible in spelling at school? Okay, brilliant. कितने नाज से हाथ उठा रहे? How many of you are like great in spelling at school? How many of you didn't care a damn? Look at that. One teacher once came to a school and asked one 7-year-old kid, "Which state of India are you from?" He said, "Arunachal Pradesh, madam." She said, "Can you spell it for me?" He said, "I'm from Goa, actually." Arunachal Pradesh का spelling कौन बोलेगा? Now, if I want to ask you all, what is the spelling of the word success? Success?
S-U-C-C-S.
S-U-C-C-E-S-S. And do you know that success can never be spelled without the second letter, which is U? This event is not successful without you. Ayman is not successful without you. This country is not successful without you. So guys, loud noise for your own self. Brilliant. Now wherever I go throughout the world, India is known for 3 very special things. The first thing Indians are known for is they're very smart in making money. Do you agree, guys?
Yes.
Actually, if you're a Gujarati, Marwadi or Sindhi, sorted. Absolutely sorted. Extremely smart in making money. Like a teacher once came to a class and asked a 7-year-old boy, "Varun, what do you want to be when you grow up, Varun?" Varun said, "Well, I want to be a multi-billionaire, madam. I want 365 cars, one for each day of the year. I want 5 homes, a private jet and 20 bank accounts." The teacher said, "Varun, I did not ask you to write an essay. I just asked what you wanted to be." Varun, the teacher then turned to a girl whose name was Pooja. Said, "Pooja, please don't answer in this essay form. Tell me in 2 words, what do you want to be when you grow up?" Pooja said, "Varun's wife." भारत की बात आती है तो दोस्तों, तो भारतीय लोग बहुत स्मार्ट, सॉर्टेड। सुंदर मिठाई को ले लीजिए, सत्या नडेला को ले लीजिए, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट माइंड्स इन द वर्ल्ड, लाइक वी सॉ इन दिस वीडियो, वर Indians. But Indians are not just known for being smart and earning money. Indians are known to be extremely smart in saving money as well. बचाते इसलिए तो नेटवर्थ बढ़ता है ना जी। How do you know who an Indian is? An Indian is a person जब शैम्पू की बोतल या शावर जेल की बोतल खत्म होती है, उसमें पानी डाल के लास्ट बबल बाहर आने तक वो फेंकेगा नहीं. मेक सम नॉइज इफ यू हैव डन दैट गाइस. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. How do you know who an Indian is? An Indian is a guy who toothpaste खत्म होने के बाद, brilliant. An Indian is a guy when जब टी शर्ट में होल हो जाता है ना, होल, तो रात के लिए रखता है वो, सोने के लिए. जब रात में पहनने लायक भी नहीं रहता ना, फिर होली के लिए रखता है. और जब होली के लिए लायक भी नहीं रहता ना, तब पोछा लगाने के लिए काम करता है साहब. In this country, we are not smart just about earning and making money. We are extremely smart in conserving and saving money. Indians all over the world growing their net worth because they know how to save money. And the third, Indians are very smart in spending money as well, guys. 1.5 लाख का फोन कौन खरीदता है आजकल? ये
लड़के.
इसलिए मैं कई बार कहता हूँ, लड़का हो ना, लड़का हैंडसम होना चाहिए, स्मार्टफोन भी होता है.
स्मार्टफोन भी होता है.
फोन है ना, फोन आईफोन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि S1, S2, S3, S4 ट्रेन के सेकंड क्लास के डब्बे भी होते हैं. लड़की हो ना, लड़की अकलमंद होनी चाहिए. सूरत गुजरात में भी है. Sorry guys. We become extremely smart in making money. We are expert in saving money. We are very good in spending money too, guys. But that's not the USP of this country. इस देश की विशेषता न तो पैसे कमाना है, न तो पैसे बचाना है, न तो पैसे उड़ाना है. Our USP is not earning, our USP is not saving, our USP is not spending. As soon as you talk about the United States of America, that country has a USP, a speciality. And that speciality is freedom and liberty. Statue of Liberty ho dikhane ke liye. If you talk about the Middle East, their USP, their speciality is oil. If you talk about Japan, their USP is technology. If you talk about Germany, their USP is technology and punctuality. If you talk of the United Kingdom, their USP is sovereignty and the royal family. And what is the USP of this country, India? क्या है इस देश की विशेषता? क्या है इस देश की विशेषता कि ऋषभ कहता है कि मैं आई एम इंडियन एंड इंडिया इज माई आइडेंटिटी. मैं भारतीय हूँ और भारतीय होने का मुझे नाज है.